This is our project. Do you know what this animal is? If you guessed Necturus or mud puppies, then you are correct. Necturus use their limbs in combination with side-to-side body undulations, characteristics of fish, and thus probably resemble the earliest land vertebrates in locomotion. It belongs to the Animalia. Chordata, Amphibia, Caudata, Potidae. The Necturus maculosus is also the only wholly aquatic salamander in New England.
Necturus can be found in North America from southern Manitoba to southern Quebec, south to Oklahoma, northern Louisiana, northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, and northern Georgia. It is native to America and Canada. Mud puppies live in temperate and freshwater habitat. They like to roam in lake, ponds, rivers, and streams. They can usually be found under rock or river banks. They have been reported in water as deep as 30 meters. Average length of Necturus is 33 centimeters. This one is 29 centimeters or 11.5 inches. Their average lifespan is 11 years. Mud puppies take 6 years to reach sexual maturity, and mating usually takes place in the fall season. Female lay average of 60 eggs. Necturus have mucus glands, which provides a slimy protective coating, and granular glands that secrete poison used as defense against predators. Mud puppies can be a rusty brown color with gray and black, and usually have a blackish blue spots.
We begin dissecting this spectacular animal. Did you know the Necturus lives its entire life underwater?
Now we're gonna play a guessing game. Can you guess what the indicated body parts of the dissected Necturus before we reveal them? Then let's start! Guess what this is? This is the Necturus stomach. Please watch as we unravel the mystery of this mud puppy's stomach.
Oh, that's fish. That's a fish head.
Whoa!
This one.
Whoa! Okay.
Fish head.
That's a little too much for me.
Oh my god!
Apparently, our mud puppy just ate a full course meal before it died.
Guess what this is? These are the intestines. Guess what this is? This is the liver. Guess what these are? If you guessed they were kidneys, then you guessed it right.
The more slender anterior parts of the kidney are genital in function, since the tubulas in the region of the kidneys are modified for sperm passage. The broader posterior parts are urinary in function.
Guess what this amazing thing is? This amazing thing is the testes.
Guess what this is? If you answered pancreas, then you are correct.
Guess what this is? This is the spleen. Guess what these are? These are the gills.
The 3 external gills are conspicuous, and between them, the 2 gill slits open into the pharynx. However, the gills in Necturus are not homologous with those within the gill cavity in fishes. Respiration takes place on the surface of these gills and over the entire body surface.
Guess what this is? This is the lungs.
The mud puppy has both lungs and gills, but it uses its lungs to maintain buoyancy in the water, much as a fish uses its swim bladder.
Guess what this is? If you guessed the heart, you were right. Since this is a 2-chamber heart, it is seen as a simpler heart, since a human has a complex 4-chamber heart. The Necturus receives low pressure of oxygenated blood, while a human receives a great amount of oxygenated blood.
Fun fact, Necturus are the only salamanders that can make noise. They obtained the name mud puppies because the noise they make sounds similar to a dog's bark.
As we start to look, it's the mouth, and inside is its tongue. As the dissector starts to cut the intestines to spread it out more, including the stomach, we are about to measure it. The intestines are about 45 centimeters. And as you see, we also included the stomach as well.
Now it's time for the review.
As we can see right here, this is the mouth. As we move on, we can see the teeth. And look closer. As we start to move to the bottom, we are able to see his heart. And below it, this is his stomach. And yes, it is open. Beside it is the liver. Beside the liver is the pancreas. Next, we are going to see where his lungs are. We can see right here is the spleen. And right here are the large intestines. And behind that is the testes. And after that, we could see the kidneys. As we move down, we see the muscles connected to the kidney. Lastly, we see the urethra.